Hello friends, I am Guge Rohini Madan from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. In this semester, I am going to teach you paper number CCTP 7 CHO 350 Organic Reaction Mechanism and Biogenesis, which having 48 lectures and conducted 12 tutorials. These papers are divided into two sections. Section first is organic reaction mechanism, which having 24 lectures and conducted 6 tutorial. And section second is biogenesis, the building blocks and construction mechanism, which having 24 lectures and conducted 6 tutorial. Okay, so let us see the section first, organic reaction mechanism. Unit first is methods for determining reaction mechanism, kinetic and non-kinetic methods. You can refer reference 1 for this unit. For the end of lecture, I should provide the list of all references, which having 4 lectures. Unit second is free radical. In this unit, the study of generation of free radical, stability of free radicals, reactivity of free radical substitution, addition to multiple bonds, radical in synthesis, inter and intramolecular bond formation via mercury hydride, tin hydride, thiol donors, cleavage of carbon halogen bond, carbon tin bond, carbon sulfur bond, oxygen bonds, oxidative coupling, carbon carbon bond formation in aromatics, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, free radicals in organic synthesis, and refers reference number 2, 3, 6, 7, and which having 8 lectures. Unit third is linear free energy relationships, and which refers the reference number 3, 4, and which having 6 lectures. Unit 4 is Hammett plots, Hammett equation, substituent constant, reaction constant, use of Hammett plots, calculation of small k and capital K. Small k means equilibrium constant and capital K means dissociation constant. Deviation from straight line plots, Taft equation, solvent effects, and refers the reference number 3, 4, 5, and which having 6 lectures. Now let us see the section second, biogenesis, the building blocks and construction mechanism, which having 24 lectures and conducted 6 tutorial. Unit first is terpenoids, monoterpenoid, sesquiterpenoid, diterpenoid, triterpenoids, and cholesterol, and refers the reference number 8, 9, 10, and which having 6 lectures. Unit second is alkaloids, derived from ornithine, lysine, nicotinic acid, tyrosine, and tryptophan, and refers the reference number 8, 9, 10, and which having 6 lectures. Unit third is the Shikimate pathway, is derived from cinnamic acid, ligands and ligands, coumarins, flavonoids, and stilbees, isoflavonoids, and terpenoid quinones, and refers the reference number 8, 9, 10, and which having 6 lectures. A case study, alkaloid isolated from the roots of Piper nigrum, and refers the reference number 11, 12, and which having 6 lectures. So here the list of references we can use. Reference number first is Mechanism and Structure in Organic Chemistry, E.S. Gold. Second is Advanced Organic Chemistry, J. March 4th edition. Third is Advanced Organic Organic Chemistry, Part A, Structure and Mechanism, F.A. Carey and R.J. Sternberg, 5th edition. Fourth one is A Guidebook to Mechanism in Organic Chemistry, Peter Sykes. Fifth one is The Hammett Equation by C.D. Johnson. Sixth is Organic Chemistry, J. Claydon. Next is Radical in Organic Synthesis. Next, or Natural Product Biosynthesis. Ninth one is From Biosynthesis to Total Synthesis. 10th is Medicinal Natural Products. Thank you so much for watching this video.